Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how we have to order on Uber Eats by cash on delivery model. So if you would like to order Uber Eats and if you would like to pay through cash, so straight away jump into the home page of Uber Eats, select one of the item which you would like to buy. So I would like to order McDonald's here. In the McDonald's, I would like to add a crispy chicken sandwich meal. Just click it here, and thereafter I want this meal. Select whichever you want. I want medium Diet Coke. I've selected this, and next save it. So after saving it, it will be saved to your cart. Add one to cart. Yes. So I have added to my cart, and click on the view cart. Will show you whichever is available in your cart. So since I have added crispy chicken sandwich meal, this is shown here, and now you have to go to checkout. So going to checkout will show you your address and whether you want to meet at door or something else option can be given here. There will be several priorities for your delivery, and select one of the available option. I want standard only, so I have selected standard. Going further will show you again the menu which you have selected. Make it as a gift, add a promo code, then the final amount will be 16.56 USD, including taxes and fee, delivery fee, temporary fuel charge, everything inclusive 16.56 USD this is. Now the basic primary motto of this video is to show you how to pay by cash, how to select it, that particular option. Click on add payment method. For clicking on add payment method, you will have Uber Cash and other payment options here. Payment method, add payment here. If you observe, the fourth one from the top is cash, the cash order on Uber Eats. Click on the cash, that's all. So next, finally, payment option cash also selected. So if you observe, this will be paid by cash. Just click on the place order, your order will be placed and you will get the item in 30 to 40 minutes time. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more information.